Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Yeah, and you know, today we're here with ArrDee, Come and Go. You see the thumbnail, you know what it is. Let's not waste no time, let's just jump straight tonight. Let's see what the G them are say. Let's go, ArrDee.
Come and you go. I'll trust no soul, no. Story of my life.
Look, in this world you come and you go. Story of my life. I've been on my ones on grinding, not getting by, but it's all timing. I don't mind it, it's alright.
This guy is right now at this point in his career, he cannot put a foot wrong. He's not putting a foot wrong. He hasn't put a foot wrong yet. Basically, him not miss. Him a fire and everything a connect. There's a couple artists in the UK that's doing that right now, and he's one of them.
In this world you come and you go. Story of my life. I've been on my ones on grinding, not getting by, but it's all timing. I don't mind it, it's alright. However you cope, when you live in a place so cold, hearts get froze, I don't trust a soul. Cause in this world you come and you go. Story of my life. I've been on my ones on grinding, not getting by, but it's all timing.
Hold on, man.
Story.
I'm just inspecting to see if there's anything in the room that I need to look at or see. You know what I mean?
Of my life. I've been on my ones on grinding, not getting by, but it's all timing. I don't mind it, it's alright. However you cope, when you live in a place so cold, hearts get froze, I don't trust a soul. It started from young and the kid ain't grown. But the problems have, I hardly did know my dad better.
Started from young, but the kid ain't grown. But the problem has. So basically, I tell you, say, yo, him big and now people know him, but him problem them grow with him right now. So.
However you cope, when you live in a place so cold, hearts get froze, I don't trust a soul. It started from young and the kid ain't grown. But the problems have, I hardly did know my dad better well, and his fault, I'm no longer mad. He does what he can, they come and they go.
Him say him never know him father. Know him. Enough of us can relate to this line.
I hardly did know my dad better well, and his fault, I'm no longer mad. He does what he can, they come and they go. The first girl that I had still fucks in my mind, but the girl was a hoe. But now I'm trash, so what do you know?
Yes, boy. The first girl he never had fuck with in mind, but the girl is a whore. But no, him is a trash, so. Yeah, what can I say?
The first girl that I had still fucks in my mind, but the girl was a hoe. But now I'm trash, so what do you know? I come and I go, literally. They all show love on the road, and I got bad girls all trying to get pics of me. If I step in the club, then they sit with me. It's a blessing, I ain't gonna bitch, but see, I bet you now they wouldn't stick with me if I didn't rock this flow. If I didn't pop them blow, but I chose this. In this world, you come and you go. Story of my life. I've been on my ones on grinding, not getting by, but it's all timing. I don't mind it, it's alright. However you cope, when you live in a place so cold, hearts get froze, I don't trust a soul. Cause in this world you come and you go. Story of my life. I've been on my ones on grinding, not getting by.
Yeah, you know, when you're in that party, you're walking through, you see, you just make that eye contact there. You know, one day, you know what time it is, especially in a party like this. Girl, I get hookings. My trash!
You come and you go. Yeah. Story of my life. I've been on my ones on grinding, not getting by, but it's all timing. I don't mind it, it's alright.
That fuck the name, the Wah Fuck Look. The Wah Fuck Look, yes.
Been on my ones on grinding, not getting by, but it's all timing. I don't mind it, it's alright. However you cope, when you live in a place so cold, hearts get froze, I don't trust us.
She's there with her man. That now got changed. Not ArrDee probably still like a fuck.
However you cope, when you live in a place so cold, hearts get froze, I don't trust a soul. Cause in this world you come and you go. I got my own, but I got me first. Shout out the ones that have done me dirt. I pulled the pain in the verse, but brother been hurt so much it don't hurt. I've been broke cause he put in.
Man said he's been hurt so much it don't hurt. Big up the one them who did do him dirt in the beginning. Like it make him the person we is today. on feel hurt now. You feel hurt now that come on, man. Come on.
Beat dirt. I pour the pain in the verse, but brother been hurt so much it don't hurt. I've been gold cause he put in the work. They come and they go, but he wouldn't dare. From young he been there and never been scared. He'd kill a man before they touch my hair. But
the same situation that happened to me before, I swear to God. Where I was in a restaurant and this girl was on the first date with a guy. And I was there, being me, loud as fuck, talking to the G them. Clean, like Jesus Police record, we are clean. And this girl is facing me. Our man is back is turned to me. And this girl, every time me say something, I hold up my head, me see this girl look at me, I'm like, one fuck look. So the guy get up to go to the bar. I'm gonna say, yo, what your number? The girl goes up 06. Okay. Up to this day, man, the girl your friend say me. Because myself, you know who you are. I'm not gonna call your name. Not gonna call your name, but you know. Yeah, so me take my boy girl already. Me take my boy. Yeah.
oh, but he wouldn't dare. From young he been there and never been scared. He'd kill a man before they touch my hair. But most of them came and gone. I think that's why I'm always moving. I never stay, I switched up the plot. Hardly even lay my head in my spot. I'm an outside baby, but I might not have got. I would never swap, I've been through a lot. Cause in this world you come and you go. Story of my life. I've been on my ones on grinding, not getting by, but it's all timing. I don't mind it, it's alright. However you cope, when you live in a place so cold, hearts get froze, I don't trust a soul. Cause in this world you come and you go. Story of my life. I've been on my ones on grinding, not getting by, but it's all timing. I don't mind it, it's alright. However you cope, when you live in a place so
see the head moved in there?
timing, I don't mind it, it's alright. However you cope, when you live in a place so cold, hearts get froze, I don't trust a soul. Cause in this world you come and you go.
I'm just waiting to see what the fuck happened at the end. Like, sorry, but I'm not listening to your lyrics anymore. I watch the movie. I watch the movie. Man. Well on the man. The video done already, man. Where you go? Yo, the man legitly take with that girl line. The man take like that kid movement here. Outside. But yeah, another solid one from ArrDee. ArrDee not disappoint him fans them. We know say ArrDee like him just just imagine seeing ArrDee at the house party doing this shit, yeah, brother. Yo, this is gonna be on a lot of people's playlist as it is a banger. He did say it before, in cheeky, and it not gonna wait. Like he's a cheeky chappy. He's a cheeky chappy dog. You see me? So when you live in a cold place, dog, you just do what you do to get by, bro. Him say my heart frozen. So big up yourself, ArrDee. Big up yourself. You guys, if you enjoyed that one and want to see more reactions, leave a like, leave a comment, and also subscribe if you're new. Big up the original subscribers them. We're outside. Yes, hey!